हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम करेंगे गणिता प्रकाश क्लास 6 सेकंड चैप्टर लाइंस एंड एंगल्स. दिस इज इंट्रोडक्शन and this is part 1 of chapter. In this chapter we will do point, line segment, trace. So what is point? Point determines a precise location. So it gives you a location. हमें एक point अगर हमने किसी पर मार्क किया तो वो हमें बताएगा कि ये perfect location. It has no length, width and height. So let us take 3 points A. This is point B, this is point C. So we read it as point A, point B, and point C. Now line segment. Line segment is shortest path from point A to point B. सबसे छोटा वाला पाथ जो हम लेंगे उसको हम बोलेंगे लाइन सेगमेंट. डिनोटेड बाय ए बी, ऊपर हम बार लगाएंगे, और बी ए बार. ए बी ए लिख सकते हो क्योंकि दोनों का डिस्टेंस ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन से भी लोगे तो ये शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ ही होगा. ए एंड बी आर कॉल्ड एंड पॉइंट्स. उसके जो है लास्ट पॉइंट्स होंगे, एंड पॉइंट्स होंगे, उनको ए और बी डिनोट करें. यहाँ पे एक फिगर दिया होगा. यू कैन सी द पॉइंट ए एंड बी, देयर आर पाथ 1 2 3 4. आप देखोगे पाथ 1 काफी लॉन्ग है, पाथ 2 भी थोड़ा बड़ा है. जो शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ है वो है पाथ 3. तो ए बी इज डिनोटेड बाय, दिस इज ए बी line segment, or you can say BA line segment. So this is denoted by AB bar or BA bar. Next is line. A line segment is extended in both directions endlessly. Suppose we take a line segment here. You can see AB denoted by small l or m, you can write down in small letters. If you extend it on both sides, this is a line. It is denoted by AB line, that is at the top of this AB. Extends forever in both directions, and it is denoted by small letters, example L or M, as here we have taken L. Ray. It is the portion of a line that starts at one point called starting point, initial point, and goes on endlessly in one direction. So it is a portion of line. Suppose we are taking a line, this is a line PQ. If you take the line segment from point P and it moves towards Q, then PQ is a line, that is a ray. So it is denoted by a ray starting point and arrow towards one direction. So AB has A as initial point, B is a point on its path. Now questions figure out. पेज नंबर 15, 16, 17 हम ये करें. पहला क्वेश्चन है, कैन यू हेल्प रिहान एंड शीतल फाइंड देयर आंसर्स. Rihan marked a point on a piece of paper. Suppose the point is here. This is point B. How many lines can he draw that pass through this point? So we can draw like this also. It can be here also. You can draw like this. So he can draw many or uncountable lines through single point. Now Sheetal marked 2 points. Suppose 2 points are here, P and Q. How many different lines can she draw that pass through both of the points? So you can see only one line can pass through. So if she marked 2 points, only one line can pass through 2 marked points. Now second question is, name the line segments in figure 2.4. So first line segment is LM. So line segment is denoted by bar on. Second is MP. Next is PQ and QR. Or vice versa, also you can write down RQ, QP, PM, MM. Which of the 5 marked points are on exactly one of the line segments. You can see M twice is there in LM also, in MP also. Similarly, P in 2 points, two line segments, Q on two line segments. So L and R points are on exactly one of line segments, which are on two of the line segments. So here we have points M, P, and Q are on two line segments. Next question. Name the ray shown in figure 2.5. Here 2.5 is there. Name the rays. तो आप देखोगे रे कौन सा है. First ray is TA. Ray is denoted by a line with one-sided arrow. Then we have TN. Then we have TB also there. And starting from N, B rays there. Is T the starting point of each of these rays? No, because TA, TN, and TB starts at T, but NB ray starts at the initial point is N. Now draw a rough figure and write labels appropriately to illustrate each of the following. OP and OQ meet at O. So these are two lines. So we draw, this is, so suppose this is OP ray and OQ. So these two are lines. It moves endlessly on both sides. XY is ray and PQ intersect at, PQ is line, this is a ray, and PQ is line, intersect at M. So just draw, first we draw X, Y, and there is a line PQ intersect at M. Line L contains, suppose this is a line L which contain point E, F, but not D. So D point is outside line L. A point P lies on AB. So there is a line AB. So this is a line AB. So AB and P is a point which lies on AB. And if it is line segment, then also you, if suppose this is AB line, but here it is AB line segment, then you draw like this, AB and point P lies on. Next question, question number 5 in figure 2.6. Here is name 5 points. So points are D, E, O, B, and C. A line. Line is, you can write DE is also a line, DO is a line, DB is a line. If you start with E, O is a line, EB is a line, and OB is a line. 4 rays. So you can write down, let us take first OC. OC ray, OB, OE, OD. You can write down other also, EB also ray. You can write down 5 line segments. The first line segment is DE. Then we have EO, OB, EB, DB line segment. Next question, here is a ray OA, figure 2.7. It starts at O and passes through point A. It also passes through point B. Can you also can you also name it as OB ray? Why? Yes, OB ray has initial point as O and B lies on it. OA ray is extended form of OB ray. Can we write OA and AO rays? No. Why? Because OA ray has initial point O and A lies on it, but AO ray has no initial point A and move endlessly towards O. So this is all about point, line segment, line and ray. नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम इसका नेक्स्ट जो है ये इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट था इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम अगली बार करेंगे दैट इज पार्ट 2 ऑफ क्लास 6 गणित प्रकाश लाइन्स एंड थैंक यू